Today it was a sunny day and the sun was beating down and also the weather was boiling.
रुको जरा सबर करो.
Hello everyone. Today I will teach you one of the biggest secret for improving your communication skill. I know that why I am pushing to you to do the shadowing practicing. Because of that now I have been doing shadowing practicing last 2 months. Within 2 months now I got much experience. Even while my conversation I can make longer sentences. The benefit of doing shadowing practicing, your mouth, your tongue will be flexible and even you can make longer sentences while your conversation. If you don't believe now, just do it only 1 week. And I also know that you have been doing some other activities. So bro, it's really works. You will realize that now whatever I told you now, it's a reality of the new of the improving or communication skill. Just do you bro, just do it. It's work. I promise that it's work.